Well, here it is. One more day, and tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. is the first start of the Ironman. And right now what's going on is all the athletes now are checking in their bikes. And this is the last time until tomorrow morning will they be putting their hands on their bikes. So they'll be checking their bikes here tomorrow because tomorrow morning at 6:30 the pros jump off in the water and they will do their 2.4-mile run. And then when they get done with a 2.4-mile run, they will come back here, get their bike, and then they will pedal for 110 miles, 112 miles, up to a place called Hobby. So these are all the guys right now checking in their bikes. Professionals, amateurs, and this is what they're doing right now. They're all getting their bikes checked in. And they say there's over 2,000 people in this race. And the girl from Texas just told me that maybe 100 of them might not show up for whatever reason, injury, sickness, not feeling good. But no matter what, 1,900 plus will be out here tomorrow, jumping in this water to do 2.4 miles. And here they come in. All their family, their friends, their cheerleaders, all here.
Oh, yeah.
Rooting for them. What these guys do, what these ladies do, is absolutely amazing. And to train for this is absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Thank you.
And you can see the excitement. I heard that Lance Armstrong is here also.
Ryan, you want to hear it? Here. Good.
Guys, just hold up right there. Oh, keep it moving. Keep it moving. Good stuff, yeah. Mind down?
Well, maybe.
Mind down?
No, you are.